It is day 3 of the 30-day Shiba challenge where we buy Shiba every day for 30 straight days. If this is your first day, this is your first day. So let's go ahead and dive into today's content right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The captain is here for you today. 30-day challenge, day number 3, and we got it in our spreadsheet. We got the captain spreadsheet already calculating. We're doing this together. Who's with me? Yeah, I'm going to do this. We're doing this together. Now, I started out October 8th, and it's October 10th now, and I plugged in the numbers right from Coinbase.com. So I'm starting the numbers at October 8th, 9th, and 10th, as you see there as proof, and then I'm putting it inside the numbers and just getting a small bag. I put in the price of SHIB, the date, the price of SHIB, the amount I paid, the amount of fees. The fees is not that bad on Coinbase.com, and then the amount of SHIB. And I have the calculations down here to keep track of what's going on. So we're going to keep doing this every single day. We're going to have a video every day up until day number 30. Yes, I started out a little bit late to necessarily give you the videos, but you can start anytime. And I may extend it past 30 days. Yeah, maybe do it. 𝒐𝒐 next, and 𝐒𝐨 is also on deck. So I'm letting you know we're going to continue this challenge, not only in Shiba land, but in other assets as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it, what platform I'm using, how much I'm spending, and exactly how I'm doing it each single time. If I look at the Shiba price, it's looking not bad. To me, not really financial advice, you know that. It is an opportunity. And so I'm looking at this. If I'm buying Shiba every single day, I'm building on my bag. And I'm educating and giving you information in terms of how to buy it, how to track it, and actually be excited about what's happening. Now, if I go look at the chart down here, it's going up and down. And that's exactly how it's going to be, in my opinion, until we see a big spike. But we're being proactive. We're not waiting for the spike. We're getting our stuff each and every single day. So very simple. I will put it on Twitter as well. I'll put day number 3 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? So I'll have a video by this, and I will tweet about what's happening each and every single day. And like I said before, 𝐒𝐨 and 𝒐𝒐 are on deck after this challenge. So I'm just letting you know, when I drop the challenge, come on. Come on, is where's at today? Come on. I'm excited about this. All right, we are day 3 in the book. I'll see you tomorrow, day number 4, October 11, 2021. So be ready. Now, if you're just starting out, start today. It's okay. I'll see you later. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. In this actual description box, I do have eToro and Webull of how you can get signed up and get started with Shiba and start your own platform, or get it on those platforms, I should say. I'll see you tomorrow on the next updated video of the 30-day Shiba challenge. I'll see you later.